Hi guys and welcome back to Gadget Guide channel. Today's videos some top 05 best mini drone of 2023. The best mini drone are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits and price. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and put a list of the best mini drone from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive research, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you are curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Number 5. Beantech Speedbird i63E Drone. Capture great adventures from the air, create high-quality videos and photos uniquely from the air, with the drone's 4K Ultra HD camera based on a 3-axis motorized gimbal. The drone with camera has built-in electronic image stabilization to a professional touch to your videos and photos. Superior image quality and seamless video transmission. The FPV drone's 4K Ultra HD camera with built-in EIS has image and video resolutions of 3840 by 2160 to produce ultra-clear images and video. The drone supports up to 984 feet of HD video transmission over ultra-fast 5G Wi-Fi and has an onboard memory card reader. Fly to new heights and reach the highest peaks, with a max altitude of 394 feet and a flight time of 25 minutes, you can explore to your heart's content and reach new heights. The drone has a maximum takeoff altitude of 10,000 feet, allowing you to soar high above the rest. Powerful performance. The drone can capture great videos at slow speeds and can also race across the sky at speeds up to 25 miles per hour. The drone can withstand up to level 4 winds, allowing you to make the most of any day, whether you're flying along a windy beach or soaring high above the trees. Number 4. Autel Robotics EVO Drone. EVO Nano Plus is packed A. The EVO Nano is equipped with a 48MP camera that can record ultra-sharp 4K/30 FPS video. Paired with a 3-axis mechanical gimbal to prevent vibration, the Nano provides everything you need to ensure your footage is smooth and stable no matter how rough the conditions. 1/1.28-inch, 0.8-inch CMOS sensor capable of 50MP photos. The EVO Nano is equipped with a 48MP camera that can record ultra-sharp 4K/30 FPS video. Paired with a 3-axis mechanical gimbal to prevent vibration, the Nano provides everything you need to ensure your footage is smooth and stable no matter how rough the conditions. The EVO Nano series provides 4 options: Adancia Orange, Deep Space Gray, Glacier White, Flame Red. Among the splendor, belong to your life attitude. Super light. Ultra compact at only 249 grams, the EVO Nano and Nano Plus weighs about as much as a smartphone and fits almost anywhere from the side pocket of your hiking pack to the palm of your hand. Skylink video transmission. Fly free, more range, less interference, fly farther while maintaining crisp, clear visuals with the all-new Autel Skylink, our strongest image transmission system yet, which offers a transmission range of 6.2 miles, transmission quality of 2.7K/30 FPS, and superior anti-interference capabilities, all while relaying stunning QHD video. Number 3. EXO Mini Professional Drone. The future is here, and it fits in your pocket. Introducing EXO Mini, a complete redefinition of what's possible of a drone of this cost and size. Capture professional photos equipped with a 1/1.26 in CMOS sensor, shoot 12MP photo at an f/2.2 aperture, allowing for beautifully captured stills in any setting. Shooting 4K UHD video at 100 megabits per second, the video output from Mini Pro is packed full with color data and is balanced in exposure, providing you cinema-grade video capture. Fly with power, 5+ mile range, 40-minute flight time, and 20 mph plus wind resistance. Software makes it easy. Built-in return to home, follow me, quick shots, hyperlapse, waypoints, and 15+ one-tap smart features that make professional drone flying easier than ever. More than a drone, this foldable drone comes with free accessories, Part 107 course, a 1-year membership to EXO Premium, lifetime tech support, EXO repair service, and so much more. Number 2. DJI Mini 3 Pro Drone. Carefree creation. Weighing less than 249 g, Mini 3 Pro doesn't require registration in most countries and regions. The foldable and compact design also makes it easy to carry on any adventure. Seriously pro shots, capture your world in remarkable detail with 4K/60 FPS video and 48MP photos. The advanced camera system supports dual native ISO and f/1.7 aperture for high-quality imagery, night and day. perfect portraits in a tap, the redesigned DJI Mini 3 Pro offers true vertical shooting for portrait shots, ideal for social media. The gimbal rotates 90, so you don't have to compromise image quality. Sweet airtime, enjoy an extended flight time of up to 34 minutes and capture and explore more of your surroundings. Fly with confidence. DJI Mini 3 Pro features tridirectional obstacle sensing and APS 4.0, bringing unrivaled safety to the Mini series. Create and share on the go. DJI Mini 3 Pro offers an extensive range of intelligent features including focus track, true vertical shooting, master shots, time-lapse, quick transfer, and more. Includes the new DJI RC, which has the DJI Fly app pre-installed and a built-in 5.5-inch HD display for crisp viewing even in direct sunlight. Number 1. DJI Mavic 3 Classic Drone. For third CMOS Hasselblad camera, the legendary Swedish brand Hasselblad customized the L2D20C aerial camera for the Mavic 3 series, embedding a professional-grade 4.3 CMOS into an incredibly compact space. 5.1K HD video, professional-grade imaging performance for sharper details. It can also record 4K/60 FPS pictures through oversampling technology. 46-minute max flight time, compatible with Mavic 3 series batteries for up to 40 minutes of hovering and up to 46 minutes of flight time. Empowers creators to capture more content with less worry. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing with APS 5.0, Mavic 3 Classic can detect objects in all directions at all times during flight and smoothly avoid obstacles, making flights exceptionally safe. 15 km HD video transmission. Mavic 3 Classic offers a 15 km (9.3 miles) max transmission range. This extends shooting possibilities with stable signal and a crystal clear 1080p/60 fps feed. Advanced RTH. Mavic 3 Classic can automatically calculate and execute an optimized route back to a set home point with this intelligent and convenient feature that gives pilots greater peace of mind. Includes the drone and the DJI RC remote controller, which has the DJI Fly app pre-installed and a built-in 5.5-inch HD display for crisp viewing, even in direct sunlight. The waypoint flight function allows Mavic 3 Classic to automatically fly and precisely repeat flight routes along pre-selected aerial points. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and don't forget to comment below. Check out the description and first comment to find the product links. Thank you so much for visiting my Gadget Guide channel.